Welcome back to Financial Freedom Journey. It's time to take control of our finances in 2025. In today's video, we're diving into the essential personal finance tips for 2025. As we step into a new year, it's crucial to adapt to the evolving financial landscape. Our goal is to provide you with actionable advice that you can implement right away, helping you take control of your finances and work towards that coveted financial freedom. With the economic shifts we're witnessing, staying informed and proactive is more important than ever. So whether you're looking to save more, invest wisely, or simply understand the changes ahead, this video is packed with insights that will empower you to make smarter financial decisions in 2025. Let's get started on your path to financial success. Understanding the 2025 financial landscape. As we look ahead to 2025, several emerging trends are set to reshape the personal finance landscape. Key economic indicators such as inflation rates and interest rates will play a significant role in how we manage our money. With inflation expected to remain a concern, it's essential to understand how it affects purchasing power and savings. Additionally, fluctuating interest rates will influence borrowing costs, making it crucial for individuals to stay informed about their impact on loans and mortgages. Technology is another game changer, with advancements in fintech providing innovative tools for budgeting, investing, and tracking expenses. These developments can empower you to make smarter financial decisions. By staying updated on these trends, you can better navigate the complexities of personal finance in 2025, ensuring that you're equipped to make informed choices that align with your financial goals. Let's explore these trends further and prepare for a financially savvy future. Budgeting for the future. As we prepare for 2025, effective budgeting is more important than ever. One of the best ways to simplify financial management is by utilizing modern budgeting tools and apps. Platforms like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard can help you track your income and expenses effortlessly, making it easier to stay on top of your finances. It's also crucial to create a flexible budget that can adapt to changing circumstances, whether it's a sudden expense or a shift in income. This adaptability ensures that you're not caught off guard and can maintain your financial goals. Additionally, tracking your spending habits is vital for identifying areas where you can cut back or save more. By regularly reviewing your expenses, you can make informed adjustments to your budget, paving the way for a more secure financial future. Let's dive into these actionable tips to help you budget effectively in 2025. Investing in 2025. As we look toward 2025, it's essential to explore investment strategies that align with current trends and values. One significant shift is the rise of sustainable and socially responsible investing options. More investors are prioritizing companies that demonstrate environmental stewardship and social responsibility, making this a key area to consider for your portfolio. Additionally, diversifying your investments is crucial for mitigating risks. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, sectors, and geographies, you can protect yourself against market volatility. This strategy not only enhances potential returns, but also provides a safety net during uncertain times. Furthermore, educating yourself on emerging markets and technologies is vital for staying ahead in the investment game. Understanding trends in sectors like renewable energy, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology can open up new opportunities for growth. Let's delve into these investment strategies to help you make informed decisions in 2025 and beyond. Debt management strategies. As we navigate the financial landscape of 2025, managing and reducing debt is a top priority for many. One effective strategy is to prioritize high-interest debts for repayment. By focusing on these debts first, you can save money on interest over time and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Another option to consider is debt consolidation, which involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can simplify your payments and potentially reduce your overall debt burden. However, it's essential to evaluate the terms carefully to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Additionally, developing a personalized debt repayment plan is crucial. This plan should outline your monthly payments, target dates for debt elimination, and strategies for staying motivated. By taking these practical steps, you can regain control over your finances and work towards a debt-free future in 2025. Let's explore these strategies in more detail. Building an emergency fund. In 2025, having a robust emergency fund is more crucial than ever. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any moment, whether it's a medical emergency, car repair, or job loss. A good rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, but the exact amount should be tailored to your individual circumstances, such as your job stability and monthly obligations. To maximize your savings, consider using a high-yield savings account, which offers better interest rates than traditional accounts, allowing your emergency fund to grow more effectively. Additionally, automating your savings can help you build your fund consistently without even thinking about it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund each month and watch your savings grow over time. By prioritizing your emergency fund, you'll create a financial safety net that provides peace of mind in uncertain times. Retirement planning in 2025. As we approach 2025, the landscape of retirement planning is evolving rapidly, making it essential for everyone to take action. One key takeaway is the importance of starting retirement savings early, regardless of your age. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest, setting you up for a more comfortable retirement. In 2025, new retirement account options and updated contribution limits will provide even more opportunities for savers. For instance, consider exploring options like Roth IRAs or health savings accounts, which can offer tax advantages. Additionally, it's crucial to regularly review and adjust your retirement plans to ensure they align with your changing financial situation and goals. Life events, market fluctuations, and shifts in your career can all impact your retirement strategy. By staying proactive and informed, you can navigate the evolving retirement landscape and secure a brighter financial future. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored essential personal finance tips for 2025, highlighting the importance of staying informed and proactive in managing your finances. We discussed the significance of adapting to the evolving financial landscape, from budgeting effectively and investing wisely to managing debt and building an emergency fund. Each of these strategies plays a crucial role in achieving your financial goals and securing your future. We encourage you to take actionable steps based on the tips provided, whether it's starting a budget, exploring new investment options, or prioritizing your savings. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with informed decisions and consistent efforts. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. Together, let's navigate the world of personal finance and work towards a brighter financial future.